Today, in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Osmo Mobile 4 SE and breaking down the pros and cons of this product. Of course, the Osmo series of mobile gimbals are now, at the time of this review, on their 6th iteration, with the Osmo Mobile 6, placing the 4 SE a fair bit down the line in terms of its newness. This, however, comes with its advantages. The Osmo 4 SE retails at around the £80 mark new, but can be found in abundance on second-hand markets at a bargain price point, which is perfect for someone shopping on a budget but looking for an effective piece of kit in the world of mobile phone stabilisation. The 4 SE might not have all of the features and specs of its newer counterparts, but as we'll uncover over the course of this video, the SE is a competent and feature-packed bit of kit. The 4 SE, when bought new, comes with the following: a USB-C charging cable, a small tripod for attaching to the base of the device via a 1/4-inch screw mount that can also accommodate any third-party video equipment you may have, a magnetic clamp for attaching your phone to the gimbal, drawstring bag for keeping the gimbal and accessories in, and the gimbal itself. Our 4 SE here has already been unboxed, as we've had this in our kit for a good while now, and from our experience it has been a reliable workhorse when it comes to smartphone stabilisation. Attaching your smartphone to the gimbal is as easy as extending the magnetic clamp to the width of your phone and then snapping it to the gimbal. Then you can wirelessly pair your phone with the DJI MIMO app and you're ready to go. The Osmo 4 SE is a chunkier gimbal compared to other devices in the Osmo range, or even other competitors in the world of mobile gimbals, with it weighing in at a weight of 424 grams without your phone attached, about the weight of a standard football. This, despite being on the heavier end of things for a smartphone gimbal, is still a workable weight. We have personally operated the gimbal continuously on full-day shoots and found that the great ergonomics of the handle allowed for comfortable, sustained usage. The gimbal, when folded down, is a decent size, able to fit into small to medium-sized bags, but not quite pocketable unless you have large coat pockets. The gimbal has an admirable average operating time of 15 hours in one charge, and charging the gimbal fully takes around 2.5 hours. You can charge your phone off the gimbal with a wired USB connection from the USB port. This ensures that you can keep your phone turned on and ready to record, even on the longest of shoot days. The max payload of the gimbal is 290 grams, and it copes well with phones up to around that roughly 300 gram mark. The gimbal is easy to operate and handle. The joystick beside the record button allows for the panning and tilting of the gimbal to be controlled manually, and the zoom rocker on the side of the unit allows you to zoom in or out with your phone without having to touch the touchscreen. The trigger on the front of the gimbal, when pressed in, locks off the orientation of your phone at the time of its pressing, and maintains that orientation as you move the gimbal around. If you double tap the M button, you can switch the gimbal from shooting landscape to portrait mode. The difference between just relying on your phone's inbuilt stabilisation and using the gimbal is as clear as day. The 4 SE uses the DJI MIMO app, which is an easy-to-use, intuitively laid out bit of software that hosts a range of features, such as regular time-lapses, hyperlapses, motion lapses, 240-degree panoramic shots, free-by-free panoramic shots, gesture control, and active tracking, although it only has ActiveTrack 3.0, not the latest, which is ActiveTrack 5.0. There are also some great creative features, such as the dynamic zoom feature that replicates a dolly zoom effect, and the spin shot mode that rotates the gimbal on an axis as you push in or pull out. In summary, the DJI 4 SE is a classic piece of kit that has stood the test of time. Later models might feature extendable telescopic necks and better active tracking, but if you're looking for a basic but functional and reliable smartphone gimbal that won't break the bank, then the 4 SE might be the one for you.